Hi teacher, I'm Abraham Hernandez Quakensi. I will tell you about an incredible dish. It's the tastiest food in Mexico. This dish is chilaquiles rojos. The ingredients are 7 tomatoes, 3 arbol chilies, an onion, a garlic, a pinch of salt, a carton of cream, 215 grams of cheese, a bunch of epazote, and finally tortilla chips. Preparation of the sauce. Steam the tomatoes in water for 3 minutes. Add the arbol chilies and steam for 2 minutes more with the tomatoes. Remove from the fire the ingredients and let it cool. Liquefy the tomatoes and the arbol chilies with the water which they were boiled, and add the garlic and onion until you obtain a sauce. Put a pot with a little oil on the fire. When it's hot, add the sauce, a bunch of epazote, and a pinch of salt. Let it boil for 5 minutes, baking. Preparation of the final dish. Distribute the tortilla chips on plates and mix with the red sauce. Finally, add cream, cheese, and if you are more hungry, you can fry 2 eggs for complete more this delicious dish.